Ice cream lovers, welcome to this session of Scoop School. It's lovely to have you here. If you're new to the channel, hey, welcome. What we do here is we help people open and grow ice cream shops. I do want to thank our episode sponsor, which is the good folks at iRice, Rod Oranger, Ed Fennell, the whole crew there. Anything that is flavored to go in ice cream, on ice cream, water ice, the primo of the crop. Or is it the cream of the crop, primo product? Anyway, the link's down below. Thank you very much for episode sponsorship. I also want to let you know that Madeline and I have what we call, I guess would be a In the Mood playlist. As we're getting ready to film here and checking mics and getting ingredients together, we have a playlist that kind of gets us in I think it'd be a great ice cream making playlist. Anyway, we're going to link that down below as well. That's a Spotify playlist. Look, let us know if you like it, and if you'd like to nominate a song for the In the Mood playlist, please do so. A couple of days ago, we made a traditional banana split for National Banana Split Day. Now, look, the jury's still out on the whole pineapple, strawberry, chocolate, all of that kind of stuff. There's nothing to say that you can't make your own banana split and even theme banana splits. Have a banana split of the week. So we're going to show you some options in this video. Options that I think I like, flavor combinations I like, and see if you like them too. So down here we've got our banana boat. We always start with the 3 scoops of vanilla. We're going to go with vanilla today. You always put the vanilla in first, or the ice cream in first, because you want it to basically hold the banana. Hold the banana. So 3 nice scoops of vanilla in here. I'm going to take our banana, do a quick of a cut on the top, cut on the bottom, all the way through. We'll place one on either side. Now, this first one, there is nothing that goes better with banana than Nutella. I actually went on a trip to Amsterdam when we were researching poffages, and the best poffage combination I had was banana and Nutella. Absolutely incredible. So we're going to combine them. So this is going to be a banana and Nutella banana split. We are going to first drizzle, so our banana's in, ice cream's in, we're going to drizzle some Nutella here. Now I've thinned this Nutella out with a little bit of oil. Some toasted coconut. You heard me right before it goes on. Toasted coconut. You can buy it sweetened and toasted, or you can buy unsweetened and toast it in the store. Toasting your own coconut. Very easy to do, very cheap convection oven, Bob's your uncle. So back down here, toasted coconut. This would be a toasted coconut and Nutella banana split. Now traditionally, yes, we're going to do our 3 dollops of whipped cream, just a little bit bigger than a golf ball. Now for Madeline's purpose, I'm going to put a cherry on. I do not like maraschino cherries, but Madeline does. So for the gram, we'll put our maraschino cherry on, and then just a little sprinkle of our coconut on the top. And look at that. There you have a Nutella and toasted coconut banana split. It looks incredible. How does it taste, I hear you ask? Avoiding the maraschino cherry. Bit of ice cream, bit of banana, bit of Nutella, bit of coconut. It's like mother's milk. It's incredible. Cherry avalanche, again, that's why I don't like them. I'm going to leave that to you. We're going to move on to our next one, but this is an example of one you can do. Next one we're going to do, pretty hot flavor. It's a Biscoff or cookie butter banana split. Okay, so cookie butter. Big following for cookie butter. Lotus cookie, you can call them Biscoffs. Anyway, we've got straight down here, we've got our raw product here. Well, not raw, but kind of our base product. Again, a very simple process. We're going to put some crushed up Lotus or Biscoff cookies over it. Looking fabulous. You want a little bit of chunk to that, so you don't want to have them all completely as dust. And then you're going to drizzle. Again, we've kind of prepped this so that there's just a little bit of oil in here to thin it out a little bit. Absolutely delish. You just can't have enough. I mean, you probably could, but whipped cream, again, the traditional 3. And then for garnish on this one, we're going to put a Biscoff cookie on the front and in the back. Look at that. No maraschino cherries. Go for the spoon. And look at that. It's a beautiful, beautiful cookie butter banana split. Ooh, did you like that, Madeline? A little bit spin action there. Let's see what we've got going on here. A little bit messy, perhaps a little overfilling. Good banana cookie butter aftertaste. A little bit of crunch in there. Fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. Cookie butter banana split. One more for you coming right up. Ladies and gentlemen, last one. And look, there are a lot of ones you can do. The suggestions are endless. Madeline said, what about a peanut butter and jelly banana split? You could call it the Elvis Presley banana split. Trademark TMR. Anyway, a lot of things you can do here. Last one of my personal favorites. When we opened up the store in Australia, this was my go-to, caramel malt. Love me some caramel malt. So this one we start off with our 3 scoops of vanilla. Again, you can make whatever flavor you want. Bananas in there, drizzle of caramel. And look, you're going to get a little bit of meltage from that ice cream. You don't want this to flow over the top, but you do want a good ratio of banana ice cream to that process. And then look, it's really just a matter of malt. Don't go with the malt liquid. People love the crunch of malt. It's part of the process here. This could be a caramel malt banana split. We're going to go 3 dollops. And on this one, we're going to do another drizzle. Caramel first. Look at that. Beautiful. Another little sprinkle of malt. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the caramel malt banana split. One of my personal favorites. Is there anything better? It's kind of sad to me that I hear that a lot of new ice cream shops are kind of not even considering banana splits on the menu anymore. A bit high in food costs. Your individual item is probably going to be over 30% food costs, but that's okay. There's good profitability in it. It's a great date night if you've got an older generation or young people coming through the store that can share a product, very shareable, and you can do the standard banana split on your menu and then roll out a few different banana splits throughout the week. Have a new banana split every week you possibly could. The world's your oyster. Give us an idea of what you do. Do you do banana splits? Do you not? Do you spice it up a little bit? Interested to hear from you. We've given you a few assignments on this message or on this video. iRice is down there. Thank you for your episode sponsorship. Click on that. You've got the In the Mood playlist. You've got the link to Scoop School. You've got the link to our TikTok. You've got the link to our Instagram. All you could ever want in the world of ice cream. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Keep on scooping. We'll see you in the next one.